after that drop, guys, many sellers really had their stop over here, you know. Many sellers had their stop over here. So what the market did, fucked them all up. And I was like, let's try it again. What's going on? What's going on, team? I hope you're all having a great time. It's Raphael back again at the charts. Yesterday, Tuesday, was great. I banked around 50,000, which is nearly 1%. It's a little bit less, but around 1%. And I was trading gold and DAX, and I want to talk about these trades, guys. Let me show you what I did, how I took the trades, why I took them, and yeah, of course, I've shared all these entries with the team, with the inner circle of our team, with all the masterclass students, and yeah, let me show you what happened. So let's go to the 1 minute chart, because I was checking the 1 minute chart. Wait, first of all, guys, check it out. Like 4 hour chart, guys, looks like a downward trend. Of course, it's consolidating a little bit over here, but we had this key level over here where price was bouncing a couple of times, then was breaking through like crazy, came back, and now, because we have, this is an area of liquidity over here where stop's sitting, and this is for me an area where I'm looking for sell opportunities. So I was looking for sell opportunities yesterday, and let me show you how I did. So first of all, before the New York session, in the morning hours, I was taking a trade. Over here as soon as I saw that the structure gets broken, and I was targeting this area. So this was my main target for my sell opportunities, for my sell entries. This was the main target area because this is a very obvious support level, and I was like, these stops have to get hunted, you know. So this was my target area, and I was right with this idea. But gold is a little bit tricky, and I think you all know that it makes crazy moves sometimes. So first position was something like that, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, somewhere over here. I was entering in this area over here. So 2 to 1, 3 to 1, something like that. Stop was above first, okay? Then when the market dropped, I was like, okay, let's move the stop somewhere in this area over here, around the entry area, just to smaller the risk. Yeah, I was holding through this whole consolidation before the New York session started, and then finally the New York session started, and then it made like boom, getting some sellers into the market, came back to the origin of that move, boom, pulling some more sellers into the market, and then fuck them all. Like it nearly hit my target, but I was not able to bank some profits because I was looking for that drop over here, because I wanted to bank profits over here, and I was I wanted to take like 75% of the table or 50% of the table over here. But I was expecting a bigger drop because we have a lot of liquidity sitting over here, like a lot of stops. So if the market hits that area, it will make like boom, you know. So I got stopped out, lost like 0.25%, 15,000, something like that. 15,000 I was losing. I was like, damn, market fucked me. But wait, like market tricked buyers into the market as well. So I was like, okay, let's give this one another chance, because I just lost like half of my risk that I was initially risking, you know. Like I was risking like 15,000, so I was like, okay, let's risk another 15,000, like the portion of my position that I had when the stop was here. Like I was lowering my risk. So I was like, okay, let's risk the other 15,000 on this one. So I was speculating for the double top, and when I saw that it made like this candle, I was entering somewhere in this area over here with the stop above, like tight stop, 15 grand risk. And yeah, risk reward is like 5 times the risk. At the end, sad story, guys, really sad story. I mean, look at that move. It was really moving like crazy, and I missed out on that one, and I was so sad because I was risking 15,000 initially, and when it started to move, I was scaling in some more. Moving my stop with the candles, and then when it consolidated, I was moving the stop just above that one over here, and then the market triggered my stop. I was loaded up. Like I would have made like, my risk was over here. My risk was 7,000, and I already took some profits. So overall, I already made a small profit on that one, and I still had some positions running with stop tight, you know. And then it stopped me out and made that drop. I missed out on that one. I'm sure some of my traders in the circle have banked good on that move. And yeah, what I did after that, when I saw that huge spike, I was like, okay, let's buy this thing and ride it back to this breakthrough area, like 1838. So I was getting out. I was buying somewhere in. I was buying the dip. I was really catching the bottom. Risk was at 1831, something like this, and I was moving this thing up to make a good amount of money, because I missed out on that drop, which was so sad. I was risking like 15 grand, and I was able to make 100 grand. So this was really well played, but stop was a little bit too tight. I don't know. But anyways, after that drop, guys, many sellers really had their stop over here, you know. Many sellers had their stop over here. So what the market did, fuck them all up. And I was like, let's try it again. So let me show you this one. I was recording this one over here. So let me show you what happened exactly. So as you can see, I was telling you guys, in this area we have a lot of stops sitting. You see that? So I had my stop over here. As you can see, I was scaling in a little bit. My risk was not too big. I was scaling in 1, 2, 3, 40 lots. 40 lots, and then the market was moving against me. I was scaling in some more, put some more positions into the market. Like now I have 70 lots running, and the risk was really like 15 grand, not more than that. Like 15 grand was the maximum that I would have lost, and I was just holding. Let's see what I did. And on the right side you see the DAX position that I took yesterday. I'm going to talk about that in a minute, but let's see what happened on gold. So gold was slowly coming down again. It's like, okay, cool. Have I banked some profits over here? Okay, got the position running. Now I was taking some positions out of the market. Have you seen this? And then I was moving the stop a little bit. 1843. I was okay. Let's take some more risk off the table. You see that double bottom over here on the 1 minute chart, and then I was like, okay, let's take some more risk off the table, move the stop a little bit, just to make sure to bank some profits. And the market came up a little bit, and this was the consolidation that we saw. So it started to consolidate a little bit, and then I was scaling in some more because I was like, okay, we already banked some, so if it will slash through the target, we're gonna make some good money, you know. So, and it moved in my direction, so I was tiring my stop. I was scaling in some more, tiring my stop, and then boom, got stopped out. Unluckily I got stopped out on that one, but yeah, anyways, it was a great trade, guys. So this was this one over here, and yeah, this was the finish for my gold session. I was trying some more over here, but with minimum risk, like 6 grand or something, like just because I was like, maybe we can get the big drop, maybe we can get the home run, you know. But it didn't give me the home run. I lost a little bit, but I ended the day with 15 grand in profit. And yeah, DAX was so stupid, guys. I want to talk about this one as well because it was very stupid, and I want you to avoid that shit. So yesterday on DAX, I was like, yeah, let's sell this thing. Like, we get the home run. And then I was selling in this area, and on the way to the top I was selling some more. Risk was 1%, and the market the whole day I was holding this trade in drawdown, and at the end I was losing 1%. Market stopped me out as soon as this night, like as soon as the new day started, stopped me out. But then this morning I was getting in again, guys, because yesterday's low, we have many stops sitting over here, and I was just waiting for the market to hit that stops. Like, initially when I was opening the position, I was thinking like, damn, you got the stupid entry, like there's so much space and we have the stops, like this is the first drop, you know. Many times it comes back to origin, stop some sellers out before it really dropped. And yeah, but I was trading it anyways, I don't know why. So I gave back all the profits from my gold trade yesterday, but this morning I was getting some of the losses back, because as you can see, like many stops were sitting over here after that drop. Everybody had their stops over here. We have this downward movement, you see this, like many stops sitting over here. And as soon as the market slashed through this area, it started to come down slowly, but it came down. And then over here I saw that this morning when I was waking up, and I was scaling in, boom, had my risk somewhere over here, somewhere in the 14,090 area. And then as soon as the market came up through to the origin of this drop, I was scaling in some more. Stop was great, like we had this like 6-to-1 risk reward ratio, which was great. I was risking all over here I was risking 0.25%, which is around 15,000, and over here I was risking some more, so that I will risk overall 0.5% of my trading account. And then the market dropped like crazy. I was taking some profits around 14,000, big figure number 14,000. I was taking 25% of my position out on at 14,000. Then I was taking another 25% out at around 13,970. And then market snapped back. I'm still holding 50% of my position, and I'm waiting for that bigger drop, like the home run, you know. I would try to take some more profits off the table around in this area over here. So this is where I'm looking for another profit taking, and maybe stop moving. I would move my stop, is what I wanted to say. And let's see, maybe I can hold one back to that low over here. That would be crazy. Like I would make some good money. Let me check. I mean, gold continued to drop right now. If I would hold it, like if I can hold one position to the bottom, I would make another 3% of my account balance. That would be sweet. That would be sweet. I already banked 0.5% this morning. So position runs risk free, stop is at break even. Let's see how far we can let it run. It looks like it wants to go for another drop right now. So yeah, let me hold it, guys. I wish you a profitable trading day. And if you have missed out on that call on DAX, you are not in the inner circle yet, man, check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. It's well worth the investment. You get analysis channel, you can connect to over 1,000 traders from our team. They can all talk to each other. You can join the group chat, talk to everybody. get signals from professional traders who are making money in the markets and everything. Guys, check it out. It's a one-time investment for a lifetime membership, and yeah, it's the best you can get out there. Have a great day, guys. Wish you a profitable trading week, and I'm out. Peace out. What you know, every time why you falling in love?